Ladies and gentlemen, if you're using the Bing Image Creator and you'd like to change the aspect ratio, I'm going to show you a few ways to do so. So stick around and let's check out these methods. So even if you go ahead in Bing Images and you put in a command such as a lady running on the beach with the image aspect ratio 916 or whatever aspect ratio you want it to be in, it will always generate an image in a 1:1 aspect ratio. So there's a few ways that you can go ahead and change this, right? So what we need to do is, for example, I'm going to use these images that I've already generated. I'm going to use this one over here. Now what we can do is click on it to open it up, and then we are going to click on download, right? So once you've downloaded your image, there's two options. The first one is going to Photore.com. So up at the top, once you've signed in, you'll go here and you'll look for the expander tool. All right. So it's an AI expander. Now there is a catch on both ways or both methods. What we're going to do is we're going to upload an image from our Bing image creation right over here. So once we've got our image uploaded, you can see that we can use different sort of ways of expanding this, okay? So what I would like to actually do here is I want to take my actual image and I want to drag it to the size that I would like the image to be. So from here, I'm going to go and just make it a little bit smaller and make it centered. And from here, we can see that there is the pixels. So we're going to go 1080 by 1920. That is a specific aspect ratio, and that is changing the aspect ratio of the canvas. Okay, let's center our image again and let us drag it all the way open. So this is going to give us the best resolution, and it's going to make sure that we're doing minimal refilling. So once we click on generate, we'll wait for our image to be filled in. Alright, so as you can see, it's been filled in and it's done a pretty good job. We also have a second result that they've offered, and that's fantastic. Now, in order to download this image without a watermark, you'll have to pay a premium. So we don't have the pro package, so we're going to download it. Okay, once you've downloaded it, you can crop the watermark out if you don't want the watermark in there. But there is another way of doing this. So if you jump onto Canva and you click on custom size on the right hand side, okay, you're going to add the aspect ratio that you want your image to be in, and you're going to click on create new design. So you'll be redirected to another window where you can go over and you can upload an image. So let's upload an image. So on the left hand side, you'll see uploads, and here you want to go and find the image on your computer that you have downloaded from the Bing image generator. So here it is. We're going to drag it over, and again we are going to fill it up in the canvas as much as possible, remembering that when we created our design, we added our aspect ratio that we would want this image to be in. So let's center it, and we're going to go up to the top, say edit image, and here we're going to go to effects. Right, there is a magic expander. Now you're going to click on the magic expander, and here where it says select a size, we're going to go and just say 916, which would select the entire canvas that we're working on. We're going to click on magic expand. So as you can see here, again, it has expanded this image. It's now in 916 aspect ratio, and it's given us 4 options. So we can literally just go ahead, choose the best option. So let's choose this one over here. And what you can do now is go up to the top right hand side and click on share. Now this magic expander actually requires the pro package of Canva. Now you can get a 30-day free trial, and you can try this out and you can use the feature within the trial. However, this does cost, as well as this costing to remove the watermark. If this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time, folks. Peace out.